Now, if you remember, one of the first steps we did when we started creating this website was we turned the indexing by Google off. So basically we told Google to go away until we're ready. Assuming we've now finished our website, and by finished I mean you check absolutely everything. So you check all the spelling, you check it on a mobile, you check everything you can think of. Once you're ready for it to go live, then this next step allows Google to start indexing your pages, and you'll start showing up in the Google search results. So in order to turn indexing back on, we go back to the dashboard, we go to Settings, Reading, and remember this thing? Discourage search engines from indexing the site. We take that click off, we then go and save our changes, at which point the website will now show up in the Google search results. This can take some time, so you have to be a little bit patient, but just remember to do this at the end of the day. Otherwise your website, even though it's been finished and looking beautiful and everything, if you don't remember this final step, then it will never show up in the search engine results. So there you are, you're just about finished now.